Thanks for waking up with us here on Spectrum News 1 on this Thursday morning. Meteorologist Robert Suhr, another look at a very active forecast. Now, at least today and Friday, we are going to be nice and quiet across the tri-state. But we are looking, that heavy rain is certainly looming as we get towards Saturday, which is looking like a complete washout. Any outdoor plans that you have, just cancel them right now. Easily, 3 to 5 inches of rainfall across much of the tri-state. A smaller area here, 4 or more inches of rain. The ground is already saturated, and a lot of this water has nowhere to go. It's just going to run off, and we are looking at rapid rises in streams and creeks, and eventually some of the local rivers as well. So it's not going to be a fun time on Saturday. If you don't have to head out, I would strongly suggest not doing so. Notice here, this is the excessive rainfall risk for Saturday. This is rainfall that is heavy enough to result in flash flooding, and you see the moderate risk, which is not issued very often. So when you see the moderate risk, you really got to take it seriously. Even in the slight risk, there are still fairly good chances that you will see some flash flooding as well. So just be mindful of that on Saturday. Now, as I said, in the short term, really not much to worry about today. We'll see cold and breezy conditions, but clearing skies. So probably some sunshine for the second half of the day. You notice by the lunch hour, we are starting to see some of that clearing roll in here, and most of us have cleared out by tonight so that we may actually get to see the sunset. Will remain clear throughout the overnight hours, which will help to allow temperatures to really fall into the lower 20s, maybe some upper teens out there as well before clouds start to build back in as we go through our Friday ahead of that system. It's going to start to bring us all that rainfall for Saturday. So we'll creep above the freezing mark today, but wind chill values will be in the 20s for much of our Thursday. We should be around 50, so about 20 degrees below normal today. And then tonight, look how cold it's going to be. Widespread upper teens and a few lower 20s when we should be in the 30s. So about 10 to 15 degrees below normal tonight as well. And you look at a pretty active extended forecast. We will be quiet for Valentine's Day if you have plans with your significant other, and then widespread heavy rain all day Saturday. Temperatures will fall all day Sunday with any of that remaining rain changing over to a couple of flurries. And then next week, the pattern most likely looks to turn much colder.